Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how data scientists and data engineers can consume Apache Hudi tables through Athena Spark notebooks. So let's get started. So the first step is basically you need to head over to Amazon Athena and then you can click on Launch Query Editor. I already have some sample Hudi tables as you can see, but now I'm going to show you how to use Spark notebooks with that. So on the left hand side, you will see work groups. Click on work groups, then click on create work group, and then here name it data scientist, right? Give it a description. Here choose Apache Spark. Come on the bottom section. You can leave all to default, create a service role, then again all of these items you can also leave it to default. Then click on create work group. Now a work group has been created, and again the analytical engine is PySpark engine version 3. Now the next step is you need to head over to this particular notebook and head over to this ARN. And for the learning purposes, we're gonna give full access. So I'm gonna click here and then we're gonna click on edit. And then I will be copy pasting this particular policy. This again gives full access to everything again, as I said, right? Click on next, click on save changes. Now once that is done, now head over to the tab and click on Notebook Explorer, or you can click on Notebook Editor, right? So now we're gonna go to the Notebook Explorer and click on Create Notebook. Over here we're gonna say Adhoc, maybe sales, whatever you want to do, right? Over here you want to select Apache Hudi over here, and as you can see all these three items should be pre-filled. Once you have done that, you can also configure the worker size. I'm gonna leave everything to default and click on the create option. Now my Spark notebook is in the creating state. Now as you can see, the notebook has been created. Now basically I have a sample command that I'm gonna show you. So again, this is the path where my Hudi data lake is, and I'm saying spark.read.format as Hudi, and I'm saying .load, and then I'm creating a temp view called Hudi snapshot. Now data scientists and data engineers can run simple Spark SQL queries and perform their analysis. So now let's run the cell. Now it is running. So it's gonna read the data, it's gonna create a Hudi snapshot, and then again it's gonna show the data frame on the console. You can now also run heavy analytical queries such as aggregation, and then you can plot the results as well. So here you can see it's still in the progress, right? And here you can see I'm able to read my Apache Hudi data over here. Now simply replace this query with whatever business queries you have. You can simply use matplotlib or pandas plot function and you can plot the result. I hope this video was useful. If you did find it useful, do let me know that in the comment section below. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to put your question in the comment box. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.